Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Clean Spray Tablets is probably one of the most innovative cleaning solutions I've come across. These little tablets promise to transform ordinary tap water into a powerful, eco-friendly cleaner. In this video, we're diving deep to see if they live up to the hype, testing their effectiveness on various surfaces, and exploring their ease of use and overall value. Get ready to find out if these tablets are the future of clean. Number 5. Affresh Washing Machine Cleaner, 6-time release tablets. Is your washing machine harboring hidden grime? This cleaner helps power away odor-causing bacteria and grime deep inside. It works to optimize your appliance's performance. This is the number 1 washing machine cleaner tablet. It's a trusted solution for keeping your machine fresh and clean. The product is a top choice for a reason. The tablets are scientifically designed for extended cleaning action. They work deep within your washer's components. This ensures an exceptional clean throughout the wash cycle. With over 100 years of appliance innovation, this product gets the tough jobs done right. Appliance experts trust it to keep your machine in top condition. You can trust it too. This cleaner is EPA Safer Choice certified and septic safe. It's designed to be safe for both you and the environment. Choose a cleaner that cares. It's the number 1 recommended washing machine cleaner brand by Whirlpool, Maytag, and Amana. This product is a reliable choice for your washing machine. It is safe for all machines. This cleaner is safe for all washing machines, including front and top load models and e-washers. No matter your machine type, this product has you covered. What we like. This cleaner eliminates those nasty odors caused by bacteria, leaving your washing machine fresh and clean. The time-release formula ensures a deep clean throughout the entire wash cycle. If you're looking for a reliable solution to maintain your washing machine's performance and freshness, you should consider this. What people say. It's super easy to use, just toss a tablet in and run the cleaning cycle. After using it, my washer smells fresh and feels noticeably cleaner. It's an easy maintenance step that really makes a difference, and I'll definitely keep using these regularly. Number 4. Active Washing Machine and Dishwasher Cleaning Tablets. This bundle includes cleaning tablets for both your washing machine and dishwasher. It's designed to work with all machine types, including models from Bosch, Samsung, and more. This is a convenient solution for your cleaning needs. These tablets effectively combat unpleasant odors and remove buildup in your appliances. The bundle includes a 48-tablet set, providing you with cleaners for both your washing machine and dishwasher. It helps keep your machines fresh and clean. The deep descaling formula removes hard water deposits, lime scale, and grime. It helps to remove stains and grease, leaving your appliances sparkling. This will make your machines look and work like new. Maintain your appliances with active cleaning supplies. Use 1 or 2 tablets per month to keep your dishwasher and washing machine clean. Simply place the tablet inside the empty machine and run a self-clean or regular cycle. This bulk 48-count kit provides a year or more of cleaning power. It's the best value, offering a long-lasting solution for your appliance maintenance. You will not need to worry about buying more for a long time. Place 1 tablet directly in the washer drum and run a normal cycle with hot water. If your machine has a clean washer cycle, use that setting for best results. After cleaning, wipe down the drum, rubber door seal, and detergent drawer. Place a tablet in the detergent tray and run a normal cycle with the machine empty. Only use 1 tablet at a time to prevent excessive foaming. Before cleaning, remove and wash the filter separately. If needed, repeat the process for heavy buildup. What we like. This bundle not only cleans your washing machine but also includes a dishwasher cleaner, providing a complete appliance cleaning solution. Its deep descaling formula removes hard water and grime. If you want a convenient and comprehensive cleaning solution for both your washing machine and dishwasher, you should consider this. What people say. They do a great job cleaning our machine. They definitely work. The smell goes away. Number 3. True Fresh Washer Cleaner Tablets 15-pack. Tired of a smelly washing machine? These tablets are designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine. They are made with high-quality ingredients to give you the best experience. No matter the brand or type, this cleaner works. Whether you have a front load or top load, it's compatible. It works perfectly for any washing machine regardless of size, type, or brand. The tablets dissolve into a powerful cleaning powder. They scrub deep, eliminating residue and grime. This ensures a thorough clean throughout the cycle. Using it is simple. Just fill the tank with water and add the tablets. Run a clean washer cycle, and then wipe it down. It's that easy to keep your machine fresh. Each pack contains 15 tablets, enough for several months of cleaning. Use it once a month, or as needed, to keep your washing machine in top condition. What we like. This cleaner is designed to work with all types of washing machines, making it a versatile choice. It effectively eliminates odor buildup and residue, ensuring a fresh and clean wash. If you have any type of washing machine and want a simple, effective cleaning solution, you should consider this. What people say. Clean my washing machine so good. The inside looks like a brand new machine. Fresh smell. Work well, clean the washer, smells better. It removes hair buildup and the mildew stale smell. Number 2. Weiman Granite Daily Clean and Shine, 2-pack. This product is designed to safely clean, disinfect, and shine various surfaces. It is effective on granite, marble, and other similar materials. It will leave your surfaces looking clean and refreshed. The new formula kills 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It eliminates bacteria on hard, non-porous surfaces within 10 minutes. This ensures a healthier environment for you and your family. This cleaner offers superior performance on multiple surfaces. You can use it on countertops, floors, shower stalls, and sinks. It is a versatile solution for your cleaning needs. It is safe for non-porous sealed surfaces. This includes granite, marble, limestone, slate, and glazed tile. You can confidently use it in your kitchen and bathroom. Keep your home safe from harmful bacteria, germs, and dirt. It cleans, shines, and disinfects in one step. This product helps maintain a clean and healthy home. Weiman is a trusted cleaning brand for delicate surfaces. You can clean, protect, and enjoy your home with this product. Trust the brand that cares for your home. What we like. This cleaner not only cleans but also disinfects, killing 99.9% of germs and bacteria. It's safe for various surfaces like granite and marble. If you like a product that keeps your home safe from harmful bacteria and dirt, you should consider this. What people say. The products are easy to use and do a great job removing everyday dirt, grease, and smudges without leaving streaks or residue. I like that this kit not only cleans but also helps protect the surface, keeping my countertops looking polished and well-maintained. This product disinfects very well and keeps the shine on my granite. Number 1. Flowcheer Lemon All-Purpose Cleaner Tablets. Tired of bulky cleaning products? These tablets are the perfect solution. They help you refill your bottles repeatedly and save money. This concentrated cleaner is easy to use and perfect for quick cleanups. It works on counters, floors, sinks, stoves, glass, and windows. The tablets are non-toxic and free of harsh chemicals, making them safe for kids and pets. It also comes in a refreshing lemon scent. Each pack makes 12 bottles of cleaner, saving plastic from landfills. This product is a great choice for the environment. Try the product for up to 30 days. If you're not satisfied, you can return it hassle-free. What we like. This cleaner is a multi-surface cleaner, making it versatile for all your cleaning needs. It's non-toxic and safe for your family and pets. If you are looking for an eco-friendly cleaning solution that saves space and money, you should consider this. What people say. The tablets dissolve quickly. The spray bottle is a nice design. The cleaner works great on multiple surfaces. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.